I recommend always having some form of identifier for each of the cases in your dataset. Now, this can be an identifier that came with each individual, such as a medical records number, or it can simply be a random number. As long as every case has a different number, then you have a unique identifier. Here I have imported my fictitious data into SPSS. Or perhaps I've been given a data set, but in either case, I still do not have a unique identifier. Let's create one. Go to Transform, Compute Variable. I am going to call my new variable ID, short for identifier. I could call it code or identification or some other name if I chose. I like to label my variables as much as possible. So click on Type and Label, and we will label this as a random identification number. It is a numeric type. Click Continue. We will be using the built-in functions for this unique identifier variable. The function is located in the miscellaneous list, but you can find it even more quickly by clicking on All. The function is called $CASENUM, and it's right at the top. Whenever you use a function, you see the description in this box telling you what the function does and any arguments that are necessary to use it. In this case, all we need is the function itself. You can click and drag the function, but it's even faster to double-click the function to move it into the numeric expressions box. Now click OK. In Data View, we see this ID variable and the consecutively numbered cases. Great. But what if I want my case numbers to have 3 digits? In that case, I will use my function in a formula. Use the dialog recall box to return to Compute Variable. The previous function is still there. I can add 100 to all of my case numbers so that they will begin at 101.